Hey fifth grade, it's Miss Tatum. I'm going to be showing you a quick how-to video on how to access some of the materials for today's lesson because there are going to be a few new things. So many of our classroom pages look like this. This is a sample fifth grade classroom, and you can see it looks the same because we have all of our assignments right here. So when you open up your Google Classroom, you are going to see that there is an assignment that looks like this, and you should already have seen all of the materials here, okay? So there's just a few things that are different, and you're going to need to be toggling between two different places. What I mean by that is you are going to be needing to have multiple tabs open, okay? And those two main tabs are going to be your notes and the Google form, okay? So the reason why we're doing this is because we are going to have access to our notes, and they are going to be helpful for us while we are starting this new unit about the Civil War, okay? So as you can see, there are some fill in the blanks that I have created, okay? It is your job to be watching videos, stopping them, and going to your notes and filling them out. Let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. So as you can see here, here is a video, all right?
Between the citizens of the same country.
And the teacher that is going to be teaching you gives you a definition, okay? So as you can see, I've already filled this out, but for you, you're going to have a blank here. So I will just delete that, and then I can type in my answer. Okay, so a civil war is a war between citizens of the same country. All right, so here's a few more important key terms, and then I see that I'm going to have more blanks to fill out. So I'm going to go back to the video, and I'm going to keep watching it until I find the answer. As you can see here, here's the answer. Then I'll pause the video, go back to my notes, and okay, so it says the American Civil War was a civil war in the United States between 1861 to 1865. So I'm just going to delete this, and I can start filling in my notes. But I forgot what date it was, so I'm going to go back. Okay, it was between 1861 to 1865. Okay, so once I filled out my notes, I can go back to my video. As you can see, there's going to be notes for the first video and notes for the second video. Okay, when you're done with your notes, you can go ahead and turn them in. You will be required to do two things, okay? Filling out the questions within the Google form and also filling out your notes. Okay, so when everything is said and done, you can make sure and turn it in here, and I will be checking your work. I hope that's a helpful video, and if you have any questions, I will be available on the days I assign lessons from 3 to 5. You can contact me on my phone, and I'll put my number here in the directions, okay? So good luck, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me.